Hello, we are back with an exciting video where we pick the best products out there to make your decision easier. If you want to know more about these products, head forward to the description for the latest prices and information. Xencelabs. The Nebula White color of the Xencelabs Pen Tablet Medium Bundle Special Edition provides artists with a color option that complements their style. It consists of the quick keys, a medium gray drawing glove, and a pen case with 2 digital pens, a dongle, an adapter, nibs, and a nib extractor, allowing for a cost-effective, efficient, and natural drawing experience. The curved slope of the Xencelabs Pen Tablet Medium Bundle SE eliminates possible tension and stress for a comfortable, natural sketching experience. Its front edge is only 5 mm thick and has a softly sloping, gently curved slope to provide a smooth palm rest. The active area of the Pen Tablet Medium Bundle SE has a surface with an ultra-fine frosted texture that is resistant to wear and non-slip. This texture provides the supplied pens with a surface that resembles a pen on paper. The Xencelabs Drawing Tablet Medium also supports Bluetooth and can be used wirelessly. It includes a 3000 mAh battery that can last 16 hours of continuous usage. There's a lot to love with the Xencelabs Drawing Tablet Medium, and it's a great option for many artists. Be it design, drawing, or 3D models, the Xencelabs Drawing Tablet Medium is a great companion. iPad Pro 12.9. The iPad Pro is in reliable and robust machines manufactured by Apple, which is comparatively better than its precursors. The device is all-screen as it does not have the trademark's Apple Home button. The distances between the screen and the edge is also minimal. It has connectivity options like lighting supports, Bluetooth, and Wi-Fi. The advantage of this tablets are many. As in Drawing Tablet, it has active drawing areas of 10.32 x 7.74 inches and a resolutions of 2732 x 2048. Although its pressure sensitivity is not that specified on the official websites, the experience is outstanding. It is swift and is impressive, performance-wise. The screen is an LCD liquid retina with the right tone, making it gorgeous to see and work on. The shortcuts are easy to learn, and the magnetic pen can be fixed with the tablets. The processor are also better than the previous version. Apple's Pencil 2 will cost you extras. The price isn't that small too, which can repel some people who are running on tight budgets. Other than this, the Apple iPad Pros is a treat to work on. It is one of the excellent drawing tablet in this video. XPPen Artist24 Pro. The XPPen Artist24 Pro is a professional-grade drawing monitor designed for digital artists. It features a large 23.8-inch display with a 2K QHD resolution, providing crisp and vibrant visuals for your artwork. The monitor comes with a highly sensitive and tilt-supported passive pen, allowing for precise and natural drawing strokes. With 20 customizable shortcut keys, you can streamline your workflow by assigning frequently used functions to these buttons, saving you time and effort. The Artist24 Pro supports tilt functionality, meaning you can vary the thickness and shading of your lines by simply tilting the pen, mimicking traditional drawing techniques. The monitor offers a wide color gamut and excellent color accuracy, ensuring your artwork is displayed with true-to-life colors. It also has an adjustable stand, allowing you to find the perfect drawing angle for comfort and ergonomics. Whether you're a professional artist or a hobbyist, the XPPen Artist24 Pro provides a powerful and intuitive toolset for creating stunning digital art. Wacom Cintiq 22. The Wacom Cintiq 22 drawing tablet offers a full HD experience on a 1808p screen. The large area makes it easy and comfortable to draw on, ideal for professionals and novices. The color gamut sits at 72%. This could have been higher for such a top-of-the-range drawing tablet, but you won't get that unless you upgrade to a Cintiq Pro model. When drawing, the Wacom Cintiq 22's anti-glare surface makes it pleasurable to draw on. There's also a small and quite noticeable texture to the screen, offering more tangibility when drawing on a tablet. Included, you'll get the Pro Pen 2, which offers 8,192 pressure levels. This results in accurate strokes, and when combined with the tilt sensitivity, it's easy to see why this tablet is a great choice. To add the cherry on top, the Wacom Cintiq 22 comes equipped with a tilt display. This allows you to adjust the display to your preferred angle. Regardless of where your artistic inspiration comes from, this tablet is up there with the best and certainly deserves consideration if you're a digital artist. XPPen Artist24 2nd Gen. The XPPen Artist24 is a feature-rich drawing pen display that offers a seamless digital art experience. It comes with a battery-free X3 stylus, eliminating the need for constant charging or battery replacements. The stylus is highly responsive and accurately captures every stroke, providing a natural drawing experience. Featuring a full laminated display, the Artist24 ensures minimal parallax, reduced glare, and improved color accuracy. The 16-inch screen size offers ample space for creative work, and the 1080p resolution provides sharp and vibrant visuals. It is compatible with Mac, Windows, Chromebook, and Android devices, allowing for versatile usage across different platforms. The tablet includes 10 customizable hotkeys, which can be assigned to frequently used functions for increased productivity. Whether you're a professional artist or an aspiring creator, the XPPen Artist24 offers a reliable and user-friendly tool to unleash your creativity. Huion Inspiroy. Dial 2. If you're seeking a versatile drawing tablet with wireless connectivity and a sizable drawing area, the Huion Inspiroy Dial 2 is a fantastic choice. This tablet offers the unique feature of being able to use the drawing area in either orientation that the user deems fit, providing a truly customizable experience. The Inspiroy Dial 2 is equipped with Bluetooth 5.0 technology, ensuring a stable and efficient wireless connection with your computer. The tablet features dual dial and shortcut keys, allowing you to easily access frequently used commands and tools quickly and efficiently. With 8,192 levels of pressure sensitivity and Huion's PenTech 3.0 technology, the Inspiroy Dial 2 ensures precise control and accuracy while drawing. The battery-free pen technology and 5080 LPI pen resolution offer a natural and intuitive drawing experience. The stylus pen also has 2 customizable side keys to help you finish your work faster. The Huion Inspiroy Dial 2 is a versatile drawing tablet with wireless connectivity, a sizable and customizable drawing area, and advanced drawing features to enhance your creative workflow. Its impressive battery life and customizable controls make it an ideal choice for artists looking for a reliable and adaptable drawing solution. Thank you for watching. If you like this video and want to hear more from us, please subscribe to our channel and also hit the bell icon to get notified of our new videos.